Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you recipe of homemade breadcrumbs that you can make easily using air fryer. Breadcrumbs are used in different recipes to give some texture, binding and crispiness. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. To prepare the breadcrumbs, I am using white bread, but you can totally use wheat bread, that is up to you. I am going to use 3 slices to make the breadcrumbs. Take one slice of bread and divide into several small pieces. It will help to make the process easier and faster when we are making it crispy. So I am using 3 breads. You can use whole slice of bread to do this process. Now here I am using air fryer. First set the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the air fryer basket and start placing the bread pieces in single layer. Once you have placed all the pieces, insert the air fryer basket into the air fryer. Now set the timer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes and then I will show you. After 3 minutes, pause the function and then remove the air fryer basket from the air fryer and start flipping the pieces so that it became crunchy from both the sides. Do it carefully, reinsert the basket and wait until the process is done. Now the air fryer process is done. It's been 5 minutes. Press the cancel function. Remove the air fryer basket from the air fryer carefully. You will hear the crunch. Remove it into the plate and then wait until it is slightly cooled down so that we can do the next process. After 3-4 minutes, you will hear the crunch. These became more crunchy. Now take a grinding jar and then add the air fried bread pieces. After adding the pieces, cover the lid and grind it while giving pulse 2 to 3 times. So basically you have to prepare the crumbly texture bread powder, or you can say crumbs, and this is how it looks like. I will show you how these ready in no time. Homemade breadcrumbs are ready to use. You can store these breadcrumbs in an airtight glass jar for up to 1 month at room temperature. You can use to prepare cutlets to make the dish crunchier, and these are healthy because we have prepared at home. You can use whole wheat bread or white bread depending upon your choice. And if you like this easy recipe of making breadcrumb in air fryer, then do let me know in the comment section below how you find this recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next recipe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.